Are you on the hunt for the perfect vehicle with superior functionality and reliability? Well, you've come to the right place. Take a look at this 2017 Mazda CX-5 Touring in jet black mica. With fully automatic headlamps, turn signal indicators, heated seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, navigation, backup camera, dual zone temp controls, BOSE 10-speaker sound system, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, and so much more. For additional details or to set up a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5389A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.